Imagine a battery that never dies. Not for a year, not for a decade, but for 28,000 years. This isn't science fiction. It's real technology. Scientists are developing nuclear diamond batteries that could power devices for millennia. The idea is simple but revolutionary, harnessing radioactive decay inside diamonds to create a power source that outlives civilizations. Today, we'll explore how this eternal battery works, why it matters, and what it means for the future of humanity. The secret lies in carbon-14, a radioactive isotope found in graphite. As carbon-14 decays, it releases energy. By encasing this isotope inside layers of synthetic diamond, scientists can capture that energy and convert it into electricity. Diamonds are not just beautiful. They're incredibly strong, resistant to radiation, and excellent conductors. This combination makes them the perfect material to lock in radioactivity while allowing energy to flow safely. Unlike traditional batteries, nuclear diamond cells don't need recharging. They produce a steady flow of power for thousands of years. Imagine pacemakers that never need replacement, satellites that run indefinitely, or sensors buried deep in oceans and mountains that transmit data for centuries. The age of plugging in might end forever. No chargers, no replacements, no downtime, just endless energy. Safety is the biggest concern. People hear radioactive battery and imagine danger. But the radiation levels outside these batteries are lower than what you'd get from eating a banana. The diamond layers act like armor, trapping radiation inside. This means the eternal battery is safer than many everyday objects we already use. It's a reminder that sometimes the scariest ideas are actually the safest. The potential applications are staggering. Space exploration could change forever. Missions to Mars or beyond could run without worrying about fuel or solar panels. Deep-sea sensors could monitor oceans for centuries. Even smartphones could one day use eternal batteries, never needing a charger again. Imagine a world where low batteries simply doesn't exist. But challenges remain. Producing synthetic diamonds is expensive. Scaling the technology to mass production is difficult. Efficiency is still being refined. Right now, these batteries are best suited for small devices that need long life, not high power. But as technology improves, larger applications may become possible. The eternal battery is still in its early stages, but the promise is undeniable. This breakthrough also raises ethical questions. Who controls eternal power sources? Could they be weaponized? What happens when technology outlives its creators? Imagine a device running for thousands of years, long after its purpose is forgotten. The eternal battery isn't just science. It is a glimpse into humanity's future, and it forces us to ask hard questions about responsibility. History shows us that energy breakthroughs reshape civilization. Coal powered the Industrial Revolution. Oil fueled the 20th century. Solar and wind are transforming the 21st. A battery that lasts 28,000 years could define the next era. It's not just about convenience. It's about independence from fragile grids, freedom from constant charging, and resilience against disasters. Imagine disaster zones where eternal batteries keep medical equipment running. Remote villages powered by devices that never fail. Scientific instruments measuring climate change for centuries without interruption. The eternal battery could become a backbone of resilience, ensuring that even in chaos, power never disappears. But there's also a cultural impact. A battery that never dies changes how we think about time. Our devices become permanent. Our technology outlives us. It forces us to imagine a future where machines endure longer than civilizations. What stories will they tell? What data will they carry? The eternal battery is not just science, it's philosophy. Companies are already racing to commercialize this technology. Startups in the US and Europe are experimenting with prototypes. Governments are watching closely, knowing that whoever controls eternal batteries controls the future of energy. The race is on, and the stakes are enormous. The eternal battery also connects to sustainability. Imagine reducing the billions of batteries discarded every year. No more toxic waste, No more pollution from battery factories. A single eternal battery could replace thousands of disposable ones, saving resources and protecting the planet. It's not just powerful, it's green. The battery that never dies could redefine civilization. It's more than a gadget. It's a symbol of endurance, innovation, and the quest for limitless energy. Subscribe for more future tech, because the next invention might last longer than humanity itself.